We lift our names like banners in the wind, counting crowns of favor, who will stand and win. But the work is not for boasting, not a stage for pride. We are servants in the vineyard, walking at His side, called to faithfulness, not to human praise, measured by the Master's hand, not by our days. We are servants and stewards, holding what is given, treasures in earthen vessels, by the grace of heaven, judged not by outward splendor, nor by fleeting fame. The Lord will bring to light each hidden heart and name. Some count the teacher's shadow, some chase a louder voice, yet the seed is planted quietly, God alone makes it rejoice. Paul planted, Apollos watered, but the growth is not our own. We labor in the mystery, the harvest is the Lord's alone. Do not boast in leaders, do not puff with pride. One day the Lord will reckon, in His truth will hide. We are servants and stewards, holding what is given, treasures in earthen vessels, by the grace of heaven, judged not by outward splendor, nor by fleeting fame. The Lord will bring to light each hidden heart and name. We may be thought of as nothing, a spectacle, a scorn, yet faithful in the little things, a new day will be born. To the one who endures, to the one who keeps the flame, the Master's voice will welcome and call us by our name. Not to be judged by men, but by the one who knows. Faithful in the ministry, where the river of mercy flows. We are servants and stewards, holding what is given, treasures in earthen vessels, by the grace of heaven, judged not by outward splendor, nor by fleeting fame. The Lord will bring to light each hidden heart and name. So plant with patience, water with a humble hand, for God gives the growth, and He will make us stand.